The order Lepidoptera encompasses butterflies, moths, and skippers, and they all go through holometabolous metamorphosis. While there are some differences between them and even differences between individual species, the basics of their life cycle are similar. They begin as an egg. The number of eggs that the mother lays varies and are usually laid on a plant that can act as a food source, also known as a host plant. Development of the embryo and the emergence of the larva is often controlled by diapause, a mechanism in which physiological activity is stopped. This helps the larva emerge when there are suitable weather conditions and the plant has developed sufficient resources for growth. The larval stage is the feeding stage of their life cycle, where they will molt 4 to 5 times before continuing to the next stage, getting larger each time. Most caterpillars do this as individuals, although some species can aggregate, and they will rarely stray far from the plant that they were laid on. After the larval stage, there is a pupal stage, which is the resting stage where metamorphosis occurs. A butterfly pupa is called a chrysalis, and a moth pupa is called a cocoon, and they differ in what they are composed of and where they are positioned. Many species of Lepidoptera will go into this pupal stage for overwintering. The adult stage is the reproductive stage, where mobility is an important tool in order to find a mate. When the adult emerges from the cocoon or chrysalis, it moves to where it can hold its wings down and pumps hemolymph into the expanded wing pads to allow them to function. The energy needed for flight is obtained through nectar or other fluids obtained by their siphoning mouthparts. Once they mate, the female will lay her eggs and the cycle will begin again with a new generation of Lepidoptera.